In this video, you'll learn how to add custom questions to Microsoft bookings so you can collect exactly the information you need from people when they schedule with you. In 2026, Microsoft has moved this feature into what's called the custom fields area, and how you use it depends on whether you're working with a shared booking page for a team or business or a more personal bookings with me style page. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on shared booking pages, since that's the most common setup for things like advising centers, clinics, or service teams. First, open a browser and go to the Microsoft Bookings site at book.es. If you're not already signed in, log in with your work or school account. Once you're in, you'll see any booking pages you have access to. Here, choose the shared booking page you want to work with. This might be your team's advising calendar, a lab booking page, or a general business booking site. After you've selected the shared page, look to the left-hand side for the navigation menu and click on the Services tab. Services are the different types of appointments people can book with you, like thesis consultation, initial intake meeting, or project review. Each service can have its own set of custom questions, which is helpful if you need different information depending on the type of appointment. From the list of services, find the specific service you want to customize and select it. Then click Edit Service. This opens the detailed settings for that service, including the description, duration, availability, and more. Now, scroll down through the service settings until you reach the custom fields section. This is where you control what extra information you collect from people when they book this particular service. If you don't see any questions yet, that's normal. We're going to add them now. At the top of the custom fields section, look for the option that says Add a Question and click it. This is your starting point for creating tailored prompts such as student IDs, project topics, or equipment needs. When you add a question, you'll choose what kind of response you want people to give. You'll see two main types of questions available. The first is a text question. Use this whenever you want the person booking to type an answer in their own words. Text questions work well for things like, please describe your project topic. What would you like to focus on in this session? Or list any specific requirements or concerns. They can handle short or longer responses, so they're flexible for most open-ended prompts. The second type is a drop-down question. Choose this when you want to give people a fixed list of options to pick from instead of letting them type anything they want. Drop-downs are ideal for standardized information, like selecting a course code, choosing a lab location, picking a service category, or indicating experience level. By limiting choices, you make the data easier to read and analyze later, and you reduce the chance of typos or unclear answers. Once you've added your questions and defined whether they're text or drop-down, make sure to save your changes for the service. After that, anyone who books that service through your shared Microsoft Bookings page will see your custom questions during the booking process, and their answers will be included with their appointment details.